Okay, my dear students, today with a new video, we're gonna learn how to use the negative form of simple present tense. Do you remember the last time or the last video we studied how to make sentences, affirmative sentences using the simple present tense? Today we're gonna use the negative form, so stay tuned and wait for us. Okay, my dear, so as I said in the introduction, that today we're gonna go further with our simple present tense. So today we're gonna talk about the negative form of simple present tense. How can we make a negative form of simple present tense? First of all, do you remember when I told you that you have to organize your ideas and divide the use of the grammar rule into two things? Do you remember that I told you we have the state of being and that we have habits? So this is the same that is gonna happen now. If we're talking about the state of being, of course we have verb be, am, is, and are. So all you have to do is just adding not. It's like, I'm not mad at you. She isn't 13. They aren't hungry. So it's like you don't change anything. You have the pronoun and then the verb be, am, is, and are. And after that you add not. After that you don't have so many choices. You're only allowed to use adjectives, nouns, or numbers, and colors, of course. So is it easy now? Let's move on to the second part, and here we have the habits. I told you before that to talk about the habits in the simple present tense, you have to divide the pronouns into two groups. You have the first group, which contains I, you, we, and they, and second group, he, she, and it, which is singular group. So with the first group, I, you, we, and they, you use done, and we say don't. We don't pronounce letter T, so we say done. Like, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know. They don't eat pizza, and so on. But with the second group, the singular group, he, she, and it, of course you have to add ses, ies to the verb. So we're gonna do the same with dozen. But in this case, we're using the infinitive form of the verb. So we say, she doesn't talk much. We don't say she doesn't talks. This is completely wrong. So is it easy now?